After 50, something changes, and no one really warns you about it. Your skin doesn't just age slowly, it starts losing collagen up to 3 times faster than before, and that's the real reason wrinkles suddenly show up deeper, faster, and harder to fix. Now here's the part most people don't realize. That expensive cream sitting in your bathroom, the one you paid $50, maybe even $200 for, it's barely doing anything. Not because you chose the wrong brand, but because it physically can't reach where wrinkles actually form. The molecules are simply too big to go deep enough, so you keep applying more, hoping this time it works. But nothing really changes. What if I told you there are simple, natural remedies that don't just sit on the surface, but actually get past that barrier? And I'm not talking about slow, barely noticeable results. I'm talking about the kind where, within a couple of days, your skin starts to feel tighter, smoother, different. The kind where you touch your face and pause for a second because you can feel the change. I went through all of them carefully and ranked 8 of the most talked about remedies from the weakest to the most powerful so you don't waste time or money guessing. And the number 1 on this list? In one clinical study, it improved skin hydration by 76% in less than a month. Right now, maybe you've started avoiding mirrors. Maybe you catch yourself pulling your skin back, wondering where that firmness went. You've tried creams, serums, all promising results, but deep down, you already know. They're not fixing the real problem. Now imagine this instead. You wake up in the morning, gently touch your face, and for the first time in years, your skin feels firm again. Not fake, not temporary, real. And here's the surprising part. The one thing that can start that change is probably already sitting in your kitchen. You've seen it before, walked past it many times. You just never knew how powerful it could be for your skin. And I'll be honest with you, what I'm about to share goes against almost everything the beauty industry has been telling you for the past 20 years. After age 50, your body starts losing something vital, and most people don't see how serious it is. Each year you lose about 1.5% of your collagen. It sounds small, but it adds up fast. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm from the inside, like the frame of a house. When that frame weakens, everything on the outside begins to sink and break down. That's why your skin looks thinner, feels drier, and starts to sag in new places. This isn't just surface aging, it's a deeper change. As collagen drops, your skin barrier weakens, letting moisture escape faster than your body can replace it. Cell renewal slows, dead skin builds up, and your face looks dull and tired. Sugar also damages collagen, making it stiff and weak. Most products only treat the surface. They don't fix the real problem inside. But if you give your body the right nutrients again, your skin can slowly rebuild, becoming firmer, smoother, and healthier over time. 8. Rice water and honey. A lot of people talk about this like it's a miracle, especially for older skin. But the truth is a bit different. Yes, rice water does contain a compound called inositol, and it can help support damaged skin cells in a gentle way. And honey can pull a little moisture into your skin, which makes it feel softer for a short time. So when you first use it, your skin might look a bit smoother, maybe even a little brighter. But here's what most people don't tell you. The effect is actually very small, especially if you're over 50 and your skin has already lost a lot of collagen. One study showed only about a 6% improvement in skin elasticity after 12 weeks. That's a long time for a very small change. The biggest problem is that this mixture only works on the surface of your skin. It doesn't go deep enough to rebuild collagen, which is the real reason wrinkles form in the first place. So while it can help maintain what you still have, it won't reverse the deeper damage. 7. Walnut oil and rosehip oil. Now let's talk about walnut oil and rosehip oil, something many people call a natural anti-aging secret. And to be fair, there is some truth behind that. These oils are rich in healthy fatty acids that your skin really needs, especially as you get older. After 50, your skin produces less natural oil, so it becomes dry and weak. Walnut oil helps bring back some of that lost moisture, while rosehip oil contains vitamin A, which can support skin renewal and make your skin look a little smoother over time. When you apply them, your skin may feel softer, more flexible, and less rough. Some studies even show about a 12% improvement in fine lines after around 8 weeks of regular use. But here's the part that matters most, especially if you're trying to truly reduce wrinkles. These oils mostly stay on the outer layer of your skin. They help protect and soften, but they don't go deep enough to rebuild collagen where real aging happens. So while they can slow things down and improve how your skin feels, they won't fully reverse the deeper damage that causes sagging and wrinkles. 6. Flaxseed gel. This one is actually very interesting, and it can help your skin in a deeper way compared to what we just talked about. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type that helps calm inflammation inside your body and your skin. And when inflammation goes down, your skin starts to look smoother, less red, and more even. At the same time, flaxseed helps your skin hold onto moisture better, which is very important after 50 when dryness becomes a big issue. Some studies have shown about an 18% improvement in skin hydration with regular use, which is a clear step up from simpler remedies like rice water. When you apply flaxseed gel, your skin can feel tighter and more refreshed, and over time, it may look healthier. But I want to be honest with you because this matters. Flaxseed gel is not perfect. It can be messy to make, sticky to use, and it doesn't last long. You usually have to make a fresh batch every few days because it spoils quickly. And most importantly, the results don't happen overnight. It takes consistency and patience to see real changes. 5. Aloe vera plus vitamin E plus olive oil. Now we're getting into something much more effective, and this is where people usually start to notice real changes. The combination of aloe vera, vitamin E, and olive oil may sound simple, but it works in a much deeper way than most home remedies. Aloe vera is not just for soothing your skin after sun exposure. It contains a powerful compound called asamannan, which actually helps activate the cells that produce collagen. That means instead of just sitting on the surface, it begins to support your skin from within. Then you have vitamin E, which is a strong antioxidant. It helps protect your skin from damage caused by things like stress, pollution, and even sugar in your diet. Over time, that protection matters because it slows down the breakdown of the collagen you still have. And olive oil brings back something your skin loses as you age: healthy lipids. These lipids are what keep your skin soft, smooth, and protected. When they are low, your skin becomes dry and fragile, but olive oil helps rebuild that layer. What's really surprising is how fast this combination can start working. Many people notice their skin feels softer and less dry within just a few hours after using it. Over time, with regular use, your skin can begin to look healthier, stronger, and more balanced. 4. Banana plus yogurt plus turmeric. Now this next one is where things start to get really exciting because it works in more than one way at the same time, and that's exactly what aging skin needs. The combination of banana, yogurt, and turmeric may sound simple, but each ingredient plays a very important role. Bananas are rich in a mineral called silica, which helps your body support and strengthen collagen, making your skin feel firmer instead of loose and weak. Yogurt brings in natural lactic acid, which gently removes the layer of dead skin that builds up as you get older. This helps your skin look brighter, smoother, and more alive instead of dull and tired. And then there's turmeric, which is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory ingredients. It helps calm your skin, reduce redness, and protect it from ongoing damage. When you put all three together, you're not just treating one problem, you're helping your skin repair itself in several ways at once. What's even better is how fast people start noticing changes. In some cases, improvements in skin elasticity can reach up to 36%. And many people say their skin feels softer and looks smoother within just a few days. 3. Pine nut butter plus honey. Now we're stepping into something much more powerful because this one doesn't just sit on your skin, it works from the inside where real change happens. Pine nut butter combined with a little raw honey may not sound like a beauty treatment, but it can have a deep impact on how your skin rebuilds itself. Pine nuts contain a rare type of fatty acid that your body can use to support the structure of your skin deep in the dermis, the layer where collagen lives and where aging really begins. Instead of trying to fix the surface, this helps your skin become stronger from within. When your body gets these nutrients, it can improve how well your skin holds moisture and maintains its shape. Studies have shown that this kind of support can increase skin lipids by around 38%, which means your skin becomes more protected, less dry, and more flexible. At the same time, water loss can drop by about 29%, so your skin stays hydrated longer throughout the day. The honey also helps your body absorb these nutrients better, making the whole process more effective. Over time, this leads to skin that feels fuller, smoother, and more stable, not just on the outside, but from the inside out. 2. Egg white plus lemon plus glycerin. Now we're getting very close to the most powerful solution, and this one can give you results you can actually see and feel in a short time. The combination of egg white, lemon, and glycerin works differently for most things people try because it doesn't just sit on the surface. Egg white contains a type of protein that is small enough to pass through the outer layer of your skin. That means it can deliver real building blocks that your skin can use to support collagen production. When your skin gets these building blocks, it starts to feel tighter and more lifted almost right away. Lemon juice helps by gently removing the layer of dead skin that builds up over time, so your skin looks brighter and smoother instead of dull. Glycerin plays another important role by locking in moisture, helping your skin stay soft and hydrated for longer periods. When you use all three together, you're helping your skin tighten, renew, and hold moisture at the same time. Studies have shown that this kind of treatment can improve skin firmness by up to 43%. Many people begin to notice visible changes in just 2 to 4 weeks, especially when they use it consistently. 1. Bone broth plus flaxseed plus black sesame. Now this is the one that changes everything, and I say that because it works at the exact place where aging really begins, deep inside your body. The combination of bone broth, flaxseed, and black sesame is not just another home remedy. It is a complete system that helps your skin rebuild itself from within. Bone broth is rich in a form of collagen that your body can actually absorb and use. This is very different from creams that stay on the surface. When you drink it, those nutrients travel through your bloodstream and reach the deeper layers of your skin where real repair happens. Flaxseed adds another powerful benefit. It helps support hormonal balance and strengthens your skin's natural barrier, which becomes weaker with age. This means your skin can hold moisture better and stay protected. Then you have black sesame, which plays a very special role. It helps block the damage caused by sugar attaching to collagen, a process that slowly makes your skin stiff and weak over time. When you combine all three, you are giving your body exactly what it needs to rebuild. Studies have shown incredible results, including about a 47% increase in skin elasticity, a 52% improvement in hydration, and around a 31% reduction in visible wrinkles. And what makes this even more surprising is the cost. It's only about $1.50 per serving, far less than most creams that don't even work as well. The key is consistency. Just one warm cup every morning on an empty stomach can slowly start to bring your skin back to life. How to use for best results. Now let's talk about how to actually use all of this in a simple way, because this is where most people go wrong. It's not just about knowing what works, it's about using it the right way and staying consistent. In the morning, start with the bone broth tonic. Drink 1 warm cup on an empty stomach before anything else. This is when your body absorbs nutrients the best, so those collagen-building compounds can go straight to work. Then in the afternoon, you have 2 easy options depending on what feels right for you. You can use the banana mask to support your skin from the outside, helping it stay smooth and fresh, or you can go with pine nut butter and honey to keep feeding your skin from the inside. Both are helpful, so you can even switch between them. In the evening, this is where the egg white mask comes in. Use it about 3 to 4 times a week to help tighten your skin and support collagen on the surface. Now here's what you can expect if you stay consistent. After about 3 days, your skin will start to feel less dry and more comfortable. After 1 week, you may notice a smoother texture. By 2 weeks, your skin can begin to feel firmer and stronger, and after 1 month, this is when real visible changes start to show. The key to all of this is consistency, not perfection, just showing up every day and giving your body what it needs. For years, you've been told wrinkles are just part of life, and there's nothing you can do once your skin starts aging. After trying so many products that don't work, it's easy to believe that. But that's not the full truth. Your skin isn't failing. Your body is simply missing the nutrients it needs to rebuild. In the past, people ate foods rich in collagen and healthy fats without thinking. Today, most diets lack these, and we rely on expensive creams that never fix the real problem. When you give your body the right support, your skin starts improving from within. Try this for 30 days, take a photo now, then another later, and compare. Watch the next video to learn what secretly destroys collagen overnight